If you're anything like me, at least the past me, you love to play video games and watch YouTube videos all day, but you also have this burning desire to become rich, change your life and your family's life. The problem is you have no idea how. There are 1,000 ways to make money online. You have the Iman Gadzi agency method, you have TikTok organic dropshipping, you have Etsy, you have YouTube, and a ton of random shit people like to call business models. What if I told you that 99% of these business models don't actually exist? What if I told you that they only exist because the gurus promoting them are making millions of your desperate desire to become rich and change your life? When I started my business career back in 2019, I was confused as hell by all the methods out there. And back then there weren't nearly as many options available as there are right now. So how did I get my broke ass to pick and choose the right model? When I was a teenager, I was probably the worst kid at school. My grades were literally the lowest they could be, and every single day felt like prison to me. Being an undisciplined, lazy kid also meant I was broke all the time. And being raised by a single mom also didn't really help my financial situation. So when I finally finished high school at 18, thanks to some loopholes in the Belgian school system, I knew that working for a boss was not gonna be an option, so I had to find a way to make money fast. I remember during my research period, I found some videos of Tai Lopez talking about dropshipping. He made it sound super attractive, and after watching just a few videos, I knew this was going to be the life changer for me. I was still completely broke though, so I decided to work at a nursing home for just 1 month and use that money as my starting capital for the dropshipping business. 1 month later, I now had $2,000 and I was ready to change my life. I created a Shopify store, listed some products on there, and started advertising on Facebook. Sadly, the dropshipping strategies that I found on YouTube were not working at all. I was completely messing around on Facebook ads, and after a few months I was down to my last $100. I then found one hidden YouTube channel from a guy who was uploading insanely valuable dropshipping videos with actual working strategies. And after watching those videos, I was finally able to find my first winner, and I was able to make my first $10,000 of profit in a single month. Eventually, after a while, obviously that strategy also stopped working. And now, after almost 4 years, I was able to forge my own dropshipping strategy, which is still generating me, my friends, and my students hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Now, this strategy has not been saturated yet because no one on YouTube is teaching it. And I'm not sure why no one else is teaching it, but I'm guessing because of 2 reasons. The first reason could be that these gurus just don't know what the hell they're doing and are just teaching you outdated strategies to make some money off courses. And the second reason might be they want to keep it for themselves because it just works so freaking well. As I said before, I made my first $10,000 of profit by watching free YouTube videos. It was completely life-changing for me, and because of that, I want to do the same for other people. So when I started this YouTube channel, I decided I was not gonna be hiding anything from anyone. As a beginner, it's important that you can start your business with not a lot of money, not a lot of experience, and a logical and simple business strategy. Introducing to you the funnel dropshipping strategy. Here's exactly how it works. To make $10,000 of profit per month, there are a few simple steps you have to follow. The first one is to find a winning product. I had to test more than 50 products before I found my first winner, but these days 1 in every 5 products I test is a winner. This is because I have now uncovered some very important criteria your product should have before testing it. When looking for a product to sell, you have to make sure that someone else is already successfully selling that product. And that is why we use spy tools like Minia to find successful dropshipping stores and see what they are scaling right now. Now, many YouTube videos will tell you it's a good idea to sell a swinging duck or cute cat socks or a random vegetable cutter. Well, it's not. You have to make sure that the product you're trying to sell solves emotional benefits. And the stronger they are, the better. Now, what niche has the strongest emotional benefits to solve? Simple. The health and beauty niche. When you sell a health-related product, you're not only solving emotional pain, but you're also solving literal physical pain, which is the strongest form of pain you can have. And for beauty, women will do almost anything to look good. That's just their primal instinct. Why else do you think the beauty industry is so massive? It's way easier to scale a health and beauty product than any other niche. So why not just make it easy on yourself? Spend some time on a spy tool like Minia and find yourself a health and beauty product to test. Then it is time to build out your $1 million store, and surprise, surprise, it's not gonna be on Shopify. Shopify used to be the only way to go if you wanted to sell something online. These days though, creating a simple Shopify product page is just not gonna cut it. There's a completely new player on the market. What I'm talking about here is a software that allows you to find a winning product 5 times faster, scale it 5 times higher, and has almost no competition. I'm talking about Funnelish. And in the description below, I left my personal Funnelish funnel template, which I still use to this day on my stores and have done millions of dollars with. The reason I'm giving this template away for free is so that you can start with Funnelish today. I just want to make it easy for you. But the reason it works so well is because on Funnelish, everything you see on the product page is completely optimized for that product itself. This means you will find more winners and you'll be able to scale them higher. And there is no way for someone to quickly copy-paste your store just like on Shopify. Now combine Funnelish with my bulletproof Facebook ad strategy and there is no way you won't be making 10K a month pretty soon. I still to this day use Facebook ads to scale all of my products and stores. The reason I'm not using TikTok ads is because the Facebook ads algorithm is just so much better. Facebook allows you to first of all find a winning product a lot more quickly, and it also allows you to scale it much higher than on TikTok. But don't worry, because my strategy is extremely simple. Listen up. To test the product, I create a CBO campaign with a starting budget of $100. In that campaign, I create one ad set with absolutely no targeting. I only specify the countries I'm selling to, but that's it. Then for my ads, I borrow my competitor's ad, change up the subtitles to the local language of the country I'm selling to, or I even add a text-to-speech in the background. Just change up the competitor's ad a little bit because Facebook likes that. Then I place 2 or 3 of those edited video ads inside my ad set and I just click on publish. That is literally my whole Facebook campaign setup. Now to scale this bad boy, I apply 3 simple scaling rules. If the product was unprofitable on day 1, we kill it and we test another product. If the product was profitable but the profit margin was below 15%, we don't touch it and we wait for the margin to increase the next day. And lastly, if the product was profitable with a margin of 15% or more, we double the budget. We repeat these 3 rules every single day. But if you want more than this quick summary on how we scale our Facebook ads, you can watch this video for the more in-depth guide. But you get the gist, it's super simple. Now that you have seen how simple my dropshipping strategy is, please don't get the idea that your journey is gonna be easy. The strategy itself is simple, but for you to become a disciplined, focused, money-minded entrepreneur, that's the hard part. When I first started seeing some results with dropshipping, it was only after I said goodbye to 2 massive things: my old habits and my old friends. You gotta understand that you can't just go from a high school lazy slave-minded person to a money-making machine by just trying out this dropshipping strategy. No, you have to make the switch in your mind that it's finally your time and that nothing's gonna hold you back. That means you'll have to create new habits and say goodbye to old ones. But more importantly, you have to say goodbye to the people around you who are not looking to change their lives like you are. You can try to drag your friends into this, but that usually doesn't work out. This is just the harsh reality of becoming the top 1% of human beings. Now, besides saying goodbye to your old life, be prepared to make a shitload of mistakes in your new life. During my dropshipping career, I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars on stupid things, such as scaling way too fast with certain payment processors, choosing the wrong supplier. For example, there was a time my supplier decided to ship the wrong product to more than 5,000 customers. That sucked. But from all of those mistakes, you will learn, grow, and make even more money. So be prepared to make mistakes, and when you do, remember that it's part of the process. I grew tremendously from my mistakes. Still, I wish I would have had someone to learn from so I didn't have to make all of these expensive mistakes. And that's kind of why I'm making these YouTube videos and why I have my Discord community. I truly understand the value of having someone to learn from, which is why I try to give as much value away for free as I can. I started dropshipping 4 years ago when I was still broke and destined to be a loser. And now I'm literally living my dream life. I have a cool car, I have cool watches, I live in a villa with my girlfriend in sunny Portugal. I'm set. And all of this was made possible by selling products online. If you want to change your life as well, then please start taking this dropshipping thing a little bit more seriously. And to help you with that, I have this Discord that I run, which you can join for free. But the real value of the Discord will be unlocked when you get the gold membership. I reply to all of your dropshipping questions every single day, and we do weekly group calls to help you scale your dropshipping business from zero to at least $1,000 per day. So join my Discord and follow me on Instagram at SamuelWillEcom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the top.